Hello viewer friends, welcome to my YouTube channel JP Tutorial Guide. In the previous video, we learned about Darius type windmill, characteristic of Darius rotor and its advantage, and horizontal axis wind machines. If no one has seen the previous videos, you must have a link in the description box. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to be the first to receive our notification. After watching the video, you must give a valuable opinion about how the video is. So let's get started without delay. In today's video, we will discuss about vertical axis wind machines and its advantage and the parameter to be considered while selecting a windmill. So today watch the video till the end to know about that. Today at first we will discuss about vertical axis wind machines. One of the main advantage of vertical axis rotor is that they do not have to be turned into the windstream as the wind direction changes, because their operation is independent of wind direction. These vertical axis machines are called panemones. Vertical axis type wind machine is shown in figure below. Then we will know about advantage of vertical axis wind machines. Number 1. The rotor is not subjected to continuous cyclic gravity load since the blade do not turn end over end. Number 2. Since these machines would react to wind from any direction, therefore they do not need yawing equipment to turn the rotor into the wind. Number 3. As heavy component, as an example, gearbox and generator can be located at ground level, this machine may need less structural support. Number 4. The installation and maintenance are easy in this type of configuration. Now come to the next point, parameters to be considered while selecting a windmill. The following parameters should be considered while selecting a windmill or wind generator. Number 1. Lowland cost. Number 2. The area should be open and away from cities. Number 3. Flat plate area should be selected as the wind velocities are high in flat open area. Number 4. The proposed at altitude is to selected by taking average wind speed data. Number 5. Minimum wind speed should be available throughout the year. Number 6. Ground surface should be stable, have high soil strength. Number 7. It should be at least 5 km away from the cities to reduce the effect of ground pollution. Number 8. The wind power should be near the customer so that the transmission losses are minimized. And number 9. Approach road should be available up to site. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, like and comment and share also. And stay tuned to us. Subscribe this channel. See you in next video.